Ooh, pretty. I'm back. It's been over a month since I filmed a video and I decided to come back and do a video, of course, doing the Boxycharm video. I'm gonna use the October box to create kind of like a Halloween makeup. I have an idea, but I still don't know how it's gonna turn out. I just have an idea. So let's just see how this turns out. I already have my eyebrows. I have my eyelids primed. I use the Shade Tip concealer in the color light medium. I'm gonna try to do this video a little bit different than I usually do my Boxycharm videos. So I'm gonna explain the products I get. I'm just gonna go right into it and I'm gonna try to make this video as short as possible. To start this look, I am gonna use some tape and I'm just gonna apply it to the outer corner, but I want the tape or the eyeshadow, I want it to be kind of like outwards, so I'm probably gonna have the tape down here. So I'm gonna put the tape just like that. I usually line it with my eyebrow, but this time I'm gonna do it a little bit downwards, a little bit below my eyebrow. Alright, so now that I have my tape, I'm just gonna move on to eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade. So I'm gonna use this one, of course, the one that came in the Boxycharm. I'm gonna try to use the colors just on the palette. I'm not gonna use anything else. Alright, to start this look, I'm gonna take the color Showtime, which is this one right here. And I will be placing that all over my crease. I'm gonna use a Morphe E22. I feel so weird because I never use any like shimmery eyeshadows for my crease. So I feel so weird. So now that I have the blue, I'm just gonna take a clean brush and I'm gonna blend this blue right here. Moving on, now I'm gonna create the cut crease. It's just gonna be a half cut crease. So for that, first I'm gonna take the Shade Tip concealer in the color Light Sand, and of course my favorite brush to create a cut crease, which is the Morphe M170. And I'm gonna bring the cut crease like inside my tear duct. So it's gonna start from my tear duct and then create the cut crease. Alright, now that I have my cut crease the way I want it of my concealer, I'm going back to the Pure Cosmetics palette and I'm taking the color Mask Off, which is this one right here, and I'm applying that where I apply my concealer. Alright, now that I have applied the color, I'm going back to the blue shade, the Showtime shade, and I'm gonna blend the gold with the blue. That's gonna be it for the eyeshadow. So I basically just use two colors from the palette, and then I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna use my NYX matte liquid eyeliner, and I'm just gonna create a really dramatic wing. gonna take off the tape and I'm gonna put my foundation on, my concealer, basically my mask on, and I will be back to show you guys what I'm gonna be doing next. So I'm taking the color Showtime and I am gonna smoke that out in my bottom eyelash. And I'm not gonna bring it in all the way because I'm gonna connect the gold in my tear duct. So I'm basically just gonna take it to right there. Now I'm gonna take a Morphe M506 and I'm gonna apply the gold shade. And I'm just gonna connect it in the tear duct. Like this. Alright, so I think I'm done with the eyes, and now I'm gonna dust off all this powder from my face. Now I'm gonna be using the mascara that came in the box. This is from It Cosmetics, and I'm gonna apply this in my eyelashes. See how it is. So the price of this one is $24, and I didn't mention the price of the palette, but it is $38. Alright, so I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner in the color Prevention, and I'm gonna apply this in my waterline. And now I'm gonna go back to the NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm gonna create like a little pointy thing in the inner corner. For eyelashes, I'm gonna take the Bold Face eyelashes and bring it on. They are my favorite, so yeah, I used them a few times already, and I feel like the more you use them, the better they just feel. For blush, I'm using this one, and it's in the color Hide and Secret. I'm gonna be setting my face with the MAC Fix Plus. Right, for highlighter, I am going back to the same palette. So I'm gonna mix this one and this one for highlighter. Alright, so for lipstick, I am using the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in the color Bow and Arrow. Oh, by the way, the liquid lipstick from Kat Von D is $20. Alright, now for the fun part. I think I'm gonna use some of these little blue rhinestones. So the little rhinestones, I got all of them at Michael's. You can find them. I think they were like around $3.99 each package, and I got these gold ones and then blue ones. I want the blue ones because they have different sizes. Alright, now I'm gonna use some gold flakes. I've never used them before, so I'm so excited. You guys don't imagine. Woo. I'm gonna put gold flakes all over my body. Alright, so I'm gonna use some eyelash glue, and I will be using that to add some glue right around here. And to apply the glue, I'm just gonna use one of these ones. Alright, and the last things that I also got in my Boxycharm is a Don't Despair Repair. So it's like a spray that you spray on your hair after you take a shower. And the price of this one is $16. So my hair was already dry, so I couldn't use this one, but I will use it later. Well, I also got it's a hand cream, so this one's $10. So let's try it out. So this is the cream. It smells good. Alright guys, so this is the final look using October's Boxycharm. I wanted to do something different, something related to Halloween, and I came up with this Peacock Goddess. And yeah, by the way, I did this crown myself. I got everything from Michael's yesterday. It was super affordable. I will have everything down below, including the prices and everything for you guys. I also have a little clip. I might add it in this video so you guys can have an idea of how I did my crown. And yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, leave me a comment down below. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.